This is NOAA weather radio station KCC 94 Longs, South Carolina. We broadcast on a frequency of 162.450 MHz and originate from the National Weather Service office in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It is currently 12:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now your forecast for a portion of northeast South Carolina. Today, expected rain and lightning storms. Some storms may be severe in the afternoon. The National Weather Service in Myrtle Beach has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 1:55 p.m. At 12:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from southwest to Sellers to Centenary and was nearly stationary. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: 80 miles an hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source: public. Impact: windows of vehicles will be damaged or completely shattered. People or animals outdoors will be injured. Locations impacted include Sellers, PD, Marion, and Centenary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:55 p.m. for the following county: Marion, South Carolina.